Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back. I know I've been missing for a while, and I decided to try out this turmeric thing I've been seeing. Well, I've been wanting to do it for a long time. So I decided I'm gonna do it, see if I can get rid of these dark spots and acne that I've been getting from this mask. Really dark spots right there. See if I can get rid of those. I don't think I'm got too many. Just a couple of them there. There. So without further ado, we're gonna hop into this video. I'm just real quick. This is gonna be my first voice over. Okay guys, so right here I have some honey, some turmeric, a plastic spoon, and a bowl. And I'm just gonna be putting some in this bowl and mixing it. So right now I'm just taking the top off the turmeric to be able to scoop it out better. And so I just scooped up like way too much, but like a healthy scoop. And so I'm just gonna put that in the bowl. And then now I'm gonna take the honey. By the way, I got this turmeric that is organic turmeric. I got it from probably like Walmart or somewhere. It was real cheap. It's the Badia version. But yeah, so I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of honey, and I'm just gonna put that in there. I'm just squeezing that in the spoon to measure it. And guys, this honey was like really thick, and so when I went to like drop it in the bowl, some of it was still on the spoon, so I just filled it up again. So roughly about 2 tablespoons of honey. You're just gonna drop that in a bowl and then just start mixing it. So that's what it looks like. 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 hefty teaspoon of turmeric. So just mix it all up. Keep mixing until you got like a paste. It's gonna be really thick. Okay guys, so you're just gonna keep mixing until it's completely mixed all up together, and I'm gonna show you what that looks like. It was actually really smooth but very thick. And yeah. Okay, so this was the final consistency that I came up with after I finished mixing it all together. It was really smooth but very thick. So this is the type of consistency that you're looking for. Okay guys, so I'm going to be washing my face to start off. I'm just going to start with a clean face, and I'm using this soap that I bought from Dollar Tree actually. I feel like it's really good. It really does a really good job of deep cleaning and pulling all the extra oil out my face, especially after I've been out all day. I feel so clean and refreshed after I use this soap. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger and just wet my face, and then I'm just gonna actually start washing my face. I like to dab everything that I do, and I use a little bit to make it go a long way. Okay guys, so yeah, just go ahead and wash your face like you normally would. Don't mind me. I know it probably looks like I'm being very rough with my face, but I'm not. I tend to like wash my face mostly in the shower, and I'm being like extra careful around my nose because I did just get my nose pierced about a month and a half ago, and I was told not to try to not let get anything inside of the piercing. So if you see me kind of like doing weird stuff around my nose, that's what I'm doing. I actually put a little bit more soap on to get a thicker thing, because I normally wash my face twice and use a different soap, but I decided not to. I think I was like putting too much concentration in. My eyes was burning. I was ready to snatch out my contacts because, oh my God, it was the worst. But I'm doing this for y'all. I'm doing this for y'all. Yeah, so go ahead and just keep washing, keep washing. Wash your face, wash your face. And I do wash my face for like a really long time. I think I wash my face for about like anywhere from like 30 seconds to like 2 minutes, especially in the shower. I wash my face for about 3 minutes straight, no lie. If I can figure out how to put a timer up on my screen, I will just do a timer, but I really don't know yet because I'm still new to this editing. Like I said, this is my very first voiceover, but yeah. So, oh my God, did y'all see them waves though? Yes, honey, yes. And that's not even no hair mayonnaise or no another olive stuff. So what I'm doing right now is I just wet my hands and then to rewash my face again, like to re-moisturize back the soap that was on my face and get it going. Yeah, you guys, I'm telling you, I wash my face for an extremely long time. I think that's also what kind of keeps my skin kind of smooth and kind of clear. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. But yeah, so actually I ran out of hair mayonnaise and the olive oil stuff that I had been using from Dollar General. So I actually just found like this little tube of clear ice gel or something. I don't know what it was. I don't know how long I've had it. But I put that on my little edges and I just brushed it back, and yo, my hair is popping. Even though my ponytail is very, very dry, but it looks so cute though. So cute. Yeah. Okay guys, so you're just gonna start rinsing your face, wash all this soap off. That's what I'm doing right now, just washing all the soap off. Yeah, so that soap had my eyes burning so bad, and it's like the first time that it's ever like did that. I guess I was doing too much for this video, but it has my eyes so red from all the burning. Okay guys, so that right there that you see is not soap, that is actually gel. This is the main reason why I never put gel in my hair, because I don't like that. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna get a paper towel and you're just gonna dry your face. I normally start in the creases of my eyes to get all the extra water out, so that my contact lens doesn't fall out and all that good stuff. But yeah, so I basically use a paper towel because I feel like this is the cleanest method that I could do to keep my face the cleanest and the least amount of extra unnecessary dirt with the towel. And we're using a brand new towel every day, so paper towel is the cheapest resort for me. So since I've been doing this, I've seen a huge improvement in my skin. Right now what you see me doing is not necessary, but for me it is. Just getting the extra around my nose, because like I told you before earlier, I don't do too much scrubbing around my nose, so the little extra that be there, I go ahead and just rub that all off extra. Right now, I'm just fixing this so that you guys don't have to look at this big clop of gel all on my hair that's caked and flaked all up. I'm just washing my hands because I just got finished playing in my hair with that gel and the brush. So that's what you see me doing now. And then I'm going to get back into this video. Okay guys, so I was deciding whether or not I was going to use like a makeup brush to like smooth it all over my face or not, but then I decided to just use a spoon so it's like less mess, less fuss. So I just took the turmeric mask and I just spread it all over my face. Went on pretty smooth. It was like a little gritty, but nothing like where I could feel it so much. It was actually really smooth. So I'm just gonna spread this all over my face and then we'll be back. Okay, so I have been being extra careful not to get it on my nose piercing, and I decided to go in with my little finger and like just try to get in the corners, which was really irrelevant because I don't have no spots over there. I don't even know why I was doing it, but you know, this is my first mask period or whatever. So now I'm just gonna take a Q-tip and I wet it, and I'm just trying to clear the turmeric off so that it doesn't stain my piercing and nothing goes down inside. Yeah, that was like an epic fail, but you live and you learn, right? Okay guys, so basically we finished getting the mask on. I finished cleaning up around my nose, and I actually had enough to do my whole face. So it's a face mask. Entertaining him. Like it came to a point where he thought it was really about to go down. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been like 27 minutes, and as you can see, it's starting to drip. Sticky. It feels like it's running, but not really. It's still really wet. It's been almost 30 minutes. I don't know if maybe I put too much on. Don't really know. But yeah. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off. Actually, let me look at my timer. 29 minutes now. So by the time I rinse all this off, it'll be about 30 minutes, I guess. So my plan now is to rinse it, then wash it, and then see the final results. Because I was seeing a lot of people say you can get it results in one day. So let's see. This mask was so thick and it was really hard to take off when I was rinsing it. I suggest get a rag or a washcloth, whatever you want to call it, wet it first and then wipe this off, because I literally stained my bathroom sink just by rinsing this off my face, and it didn't even sit in the sink that long. But here I am trying to see if I see a difference right now as I done rinsed it off, and I really don't see nothing. Okay, so now I'm just taking the same soap again and washing my face. He just had to come see what I was doing. But yeah, it's the same soap you seen in the beginning from Dollar Tree. I'm just washing my face. You can see just how much turmeric is still on my skin because the soap is not even white anymore. It is yellow. And now guys, I'm just rinsing that all off. And so I'm going to just do the same thing over again. Dry it with a paper towel. There is a lot of turmeric on there, you guys. See all that yellow from on that paper towel? So guys, I really didn't see a difference. I was really trying to see something. I think this might work if I was to do it like on a consistent basis, so maybe like 5 to 7 days. But one day, maybe if it was like a just fresh spot, but I didn't see that much of a difference. Let me know in the comments what you think. And as always, thank you for watching.